welcome back. So in this video we will unwrap the orchids that I recently purchased from Floraria Design Floral. This is an orchid shop from Romania, and I have ordered 3 or actually 2 orchids, and you will see a very nice vase. So I have in the box actually 4 products, so I think I have one gift, and I'm super happy for that. I will start with the base because I really hope it is in one piece. It is glass, so it is a little bit trickier to transport. And this is the vase, I'm sure. This is a very big and pretty Vanda glass vase, and this was actually supposed to be for this orchid, for this little Vanda that I have recently purchased, and I think it will be just fine in it, but I think it is a little bit large for her. I think I might need a smaller one because she's not very big also. I'm trying to show to you something. Okay, and here are the 2 glass vases that I have, with the blue Vanda, and to be quite honest, the one from the left, it is a little bit bigger than the one from the right, so I will see exactly how I will use them, how I will maybe I will change them between them. I will see. I will do a Vanda update, and I will show to you exactly how I am planning to grow each one of them, and what exactly I will do. Okay. And I also am planning to do a care tutorial for them, because I'm not really growing them as everybody else. So yeah. Okay, it seems that I received a pretty gift. I think these are called tulips in English. I'm not really sure. I will try to unwrap them. Thank you so much. I asked them if they have some tulips, but I asked about some very special ones, and they said they don't have that on stock, but they sent me these simple ones for free. So thank you so much. Aici fugi de acolo. My cat, it's a little bit naughty. She wants to check on everything right now, and she's not really allowed to, so sorry for that. I will actually unwrap them and show them at the final, because I'm losing too much time right now. Okay, let's see what else. The next 2 will be orchids, just orchids. You will see they are very special and pretty. This is a beautiful one. here it is, a very pretty one. This is called Bellara Diana Dangatic, and I think the bottom bloom is fading, and I have a little bud blast here, but this bud seems okay, and this one seems to be just opening right now. It is a very pretty one. Just look at these spots. They are a little bit cold. I hope it didn't suffer from cold. And here also you can see I have a little infection, so I will cut this portion of the leaf. And here I have a pretty spike with a yellowish tip on it, so I'm not sure it will develop. And this has a few wrinkles, so I will actually unwrap the orchid and check out the roots, because I'm afraid it is not having a lot of roots if it's so wrinkly. There are not a lot of wrinkles, so maybe it is just a little bit dehydrated, because in winter time orchids are being shipped dry, so come on. Okay, so this is the orchid. The bulb is actually plump, and only on the top it has a few wrinkles, so maybe it is just a bit dehydrated. That is what I hope, actually. And it has some roots here on the bottom, which are quite stiff, so the orchid has a lot of roots. Anyway, I wanted to take a little bit of the medium from this suitable, because it was a little bit buried, so yeah, we don't want the suitable to get rotted. It has roots and a few blooms, a spike, so I'm quite happy with this one. Let's see what else we have in this box. This was actually the reason for me making this order. This little orchid that I am unwrapping right now. And it's a very special one. Is the most beautiful oncidium type orchid that I have ever seen. Just check out these blooms, the colors, the yellow, it is so golden, and the orange, reddish kind of. I don't feel a specific fragrance right now, but she is so pretty, guys. This is why I actually made this order. I am very happy with it. Unfortunately, this suitable is quite wrinkly, but it has this new growth, so it might be because again it is dry inside the pot. We will see in a second, actually. So, the moment of truth, the orchid is actually wobbly inside the pot, so I don't think I will discover much here. It has this aerial root which seems to be alive, and it has a little root on the bottom of the pot. It maybe actually has roots, not really sure. as gently as I can I will show to you the roots. These are the roots, and they don't seem actually very alive, and unfortunately this is a division from an orchid. Again, it is not their fault because they purchased it from somebody else, so these roots are actually starting to die. They are mushy, and just here they are a little bit stiff, but they are on the verge of dying, so I'm relying just on this aerial root. I will try to spray it daily, and I will do a humidity chamber for this one because I really want to save it, and I hope it will start soon to produce some roots. What I don't like about this, it is that you can see that the new shoot, it is growing actually. Let me bring you a little bit closer actually. So this new shoot is growing in the side leaf of this pseudobulb, and because it is a sick orchid, it is a weak orchid, the new roots, when they will start to be produced, they will encounter some resistance from this new leaf. So what I will do, it is to gently snap it at the base, not completely, just on half, so I can reveal the new growth, because we will work with these orchids together, and I will show to you exactly how I will deal with each of them. But for the moment, this is what I want to do. I am cleaning up the dead sheets, and here at the base I will zoom you a little bit more in. I hope I will get a good focus. Yeah, here I have a little nubbin that is the start of a new root. So that means that when this orchid will be potted on, it will soon start to grow new roots, which is very good. I am happy that the new shoot is able to produce new roots at this age. Some of the Oncidium types are growing new roots when they are almost fully mature. So yeah, I am happy I will be able to save it. And unfortunately I will need to cut off this spike, but I'm sure I will save it, and it will bloom again in the future. Anyway, enough of this talking. I will get you along on that process, and I will show to you exactly what will happen with her. So okay guys, here are the tulips, and it seems that it is called tulip orange princess, which it's quite interesting. I really hope it will be orange. It is getting a little bit of orange tint here at the base, so it might actually be that, and I am very happy because I love tulips. Thank you so much for this present. I am so grateful, and right now let's finish up this video like this, because there will come a lot of follow-ups, because I have quite a bit of work to do with them right now. So alright guys, this is all for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!